इंग्लिश स्पीच के लिए मैं आवाज़ देना चाहता हूँ दुआ खान क्लास 6B।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest of the function, President of the program is President and Guest of Honor. Respected President, Manager, Member of the Management Committee, Principal, Teachers, audience and my dear friends. I myself, Dua Khan, Standard 6, stand before you to express my opinion topic of discipline. Discipline means doing the thing in the moral and ethical manner. School is the second place after our home. When we learn discipline, basically the suppression of base desires, and is often understood to be similar to self-restraint and control. Disciplined person determines the best course of action irrespective of one's wishes. Honest behavior is another form of government. It can be described as when one's value or aims are alike with each other. School discipline has a very important role to play in an individual life. It is necessary set of action adopted by a teacher toward a student, a group of students. If the ongoing educational activity has been disrupted due to student behavior, if the students breaks any particular rule created by the school authority, discipline basically guides the children behavior, sets limits and ultimately help them learn to care for themselves and others. Discipline can come in several forms. School system make these rules and regulation, and if any student break these rules, they are subject to punishment, which ultimately is aimed to teach discipline to the student. Their rules may include the expected clothing standard, social conduct, time picking, and work ethic. We can also require in our life. Thus, it is more important. Like company cannot be successful without a proper strategy. We cannot be succeed without certain rules and discipline in our life, including good habits like waking up early, regular exercise, eating healthy foods, etc. Thus, it is more important of discipline in our life. Thank you so much.
ये थी दुआ खान जो आपके सामने इंग्लिश स्पीच पेश कर रहे थे, इंग्लिश स्पीच।